Are you looking for the best drones for every budget? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for every budget on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, RiseTech Tello Mini Drone. Designed in collaboration with DJI, the Tello is just 100 by 100 mm in size and 80 grams in weight, and is constructed from fairly low-grade plastic. But it's the only toy drone we've used that doesn't feel like a piece of dropship junk just begging to be thrown away. Granted, it's a little pricier than most of its peers, but its solid controls, decent flight range of about 50 to 100 meters, around 160 feet, and 13-minute battery life make it ideal for learning the basics of drone flight. It even has a 5MP/720p electronically stabilized camera aboard for some basic aerial imaging practice. Do be warned, though, that gusts of wind are not the Tello's friend. Fly it on a blustery day and you may end up losing it altogether. Number 2, Beidou FPV Cetus X Drone. If you want to try flying an FPV drone, we think the Beidou FPV Cetus X kit is a top choice. As a package, it comes with everything you need for first-person flight, including a transmitter and a basic set of goggles. More powerful than models like the Cetus Pro, we found that its multiple flight modes and speed settings also make it an FPV drone you can grow with. Number 3, Potensic Atom. Not to be confused with the Potensic Atom SE, the newer Atom comes a year later and addresses the Atom SE's shortcomings and sits somewhere between the DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 3. It's a fantastic beginner drone that our review says offers a performance that belies its low cost, cheaper than the Mini 3, in a Fly More combo kit that adds 2 additional batteries, a fast charging hub with a power adapter and carry case in addition to the generous accessories that come in the standard kit. The Atom's highlights include manual camera control, raw 12MP photos, 4K video up to 30 FPS and a mechanical 3-axis gimbal. All of these features are rare in a beginner drone at this price level. The mechanical gimbal gives smoother video footage than the Atom SE, while also enjoyed the improved GPS accuracy and intelligent flight features including subject tracking. The Atom drone isn't perfect. Its lens focus is fixed, there's no obstacle avoidance, which you don't get at this price point, nor are there ND filters available to regulate shutter speed for video in bright light. However, Potensic's best ever drone is fantastic value and a true DJI alternative. Number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Technically a step down from the Mavic 3, the Classic Edition lands at a lower price by losing the telephoto camera of its pricier sibling. While it's not a budget choice, this simplified setup makes the Classic a more cost-effective option for videographers. It retains the excellent 4/3 main sensor, which we think is the best camera available on a folding drone. Though this isn't a beginner drone, we found in testing that collision avoidance, subject tracking and automated quick shots made the Classic easy to pilot with confidence, even if real-world battery life proved shorter than the claimed 46 minutes.